Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 9, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see the futures right now are down just by a half a point. Right now, they're trading at 23.63 and a quarter per contract. So all in all, futures down just a touch, but you can see that they have bounced off the lows of the day already. So they're basically flat, and we'll see how this market plays out today. We've had some down ticking over the past few days, but it really hasn't been any magnitude or any sharp declines. But either way, markets have pulled back a little bit. We'll see how they play out today. We'll see if we get a little bit of a rebound from a slightly oversold condition. No, not more than that. But again, we have some stocks in the news. That's where we're going to try to focus our attention, and that's where we're going to try to make some money. Another solid day yesterday in the intraday stock chat room, and we're going to look to keep that going today. Let's take a look at Staples. SPLS is the first one up here. Stock is getting hit pretty hard. It closed at $8.96, now trading at $8.35. The only level that really interests me for this stock is around $7.40. So all in all, I would let this one go lower. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if a pattern develops on it. Maybe there could be a play on it. But right now, there's not a lot I would do here with Staples. Stock still remains very, very weak in a downtrend, and I don't think that's really changing anytime soon. So again, we'll see how it plays out today. Hey, you never know. Maybe it gives us a chart setup. But Staples a little bit weaker ahead of the opening bell. Next one on my radar is going to be TLRD, and this is the company that owns Men's Warehouse and also owns Joseph A. Banks, I believe. Stock right now is trading at $16.38. You can take a look over here and see how this thing has really just plummeted today. This was yesterday a $23 stock. Now a $16 stock. $15 is your level. So if the stock gets down to $15, that's where we want in on this. So I will be looking to get in on a bounce play at $15. I think it has a very, very good chance to get down there. Again, you still got to be a little bit careful with a stock like this. When I look at the volume on it, it trades probably about 700 to a million shares a day. A lot of times it does trade under a million, so these things can overshoot a little bit. But 15 to me looks pretty solid. So I'm going to be looking to get involved in this name right around $15 today. Again, if you want to trade alongside of me, come on over, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and we'll be trading TLRD, which is Tailored Brands, better known as Men's Warehouse and Joseph A. Banks. Let's take a look at Signet Jewelers. SIG is the ticker symbol here. This stock is trading a little bit lower. Closed at $64.40, trading at $63.26. I'm still showing support around, a little bit of support around 60, maybe 61. So we'll see how it plays out. I don't think I'm really looking to do much with Signet Jewelers. Generally, the volume is under a million shares. Sometimes it's over, but more often than not, we're probably trading under a million shares a day. So this thing can overshoot. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings today. Let's take a look at CWH. And this is Camping World headquarters. This has not been around all that long. It came, I guess, public around October of last year. So again, stock is selling off a little bit today. I am seeing some support around $32. So if you want to give that a shot, $32 is an area where I do think we will have some support for Camping World Holdings. And again, CWH is a ticker symbol. Again, this is a light volume name. Rarely trades a million shares, so be careful. This thing can overshoot levels. Let's take a look at AIG this morning. AIG coming out with news that the CEO is stepping down. He has handed in his resignation. The stock is getting a bid off that news right now, trading at $64.31. Again, I don't see this stock going up past $66 right now, so that would be my big resistance level, $66 today. Next up, we have Stratasys. SSYS is a 3D printer maker. Right now the stock is trading at $18.60, closed at $20.06. I don't see any real reason to own this right here. We'll look at it once the opening bell rings. We'll see if we get some kind of a pattern, but there's not a lot I'm looking to do with this name at the moment. So again, keep it on your radar. But like I said, I'm not looking to do anything with it yet. The levels I have, I'm just not really trusting them with the way this thing trades. So let's take a look here at the next one. UNFI, this is United Foods. The stock right now is trading at around $44.94. Closed at 43.60 yesterday. So this is a nice little gap up. Huge resistance around the 47 area. So maybe it moves up a little bit higher, but there is big resistance around 47 bucks should it get there. Let's take a look at Semtech. That's SMTC. And this stock right now catching a pretty good bid. Closed at $34.70, trading at $37.70. You have a huge double top up here going back to 2013, June 2013. Double top high there is 35. Let me make sure. I'm sorry. Double top high there is 37.45. So again, you're just piercing the double top. This is an extended name. Be careful with this one. If you own it, trail the stop loss immediately. If you do not own it, I would not be a buyer up here. So again, if you own it, trail the stop loss. Try to capitalize off that. But if you don't own it, I wouldn't do much with it right now. Let's take a look at Shield, Sears Holdings. SHLD is the ticker symbol. And what you're going to see here, they reported earnings. Nice pop up. I've been talking about this one in the chat room. The earnings kept getting postponed, but they finally did come out today. And give the stock the upside bias to around $9. I don't see it getting much past there. All right, I think we've covered everything in the stock world. Let's move over to the gold market. Gold futures are trading down about $4 today. Right now, gold is trading at $12.05 an ounce. If you take a look at the morning GLD, GLD is good ETF to trade gold. That's trading at $114.80, down from the $115.06 close. Crude oil today getting hit. Crude was hammered yesterday, trading down today. Right now we have crude oil trading at around down 64 cents to $49.63 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, that was really hammered yesterday. Today it's trading around $10.53, down from $10.67. So oil's getting hit, gold is getting hit a little bit, and we'll see how this market plays out. I am watching the dollar closely today because the dollar should start to give us some topping signals. I do think the dollar is starting to pull back, and you're getting a nice little pullback right here, right at this time in the day. So again, if the dollar moves lower, that will be beneficial for gold. Also will help out oil as well. So again, most commodities are denominated in dollars. So we'll see how that plays out. Again, we've had a great 2017 in the intraday stock chat room. If you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you'll see everything that we are doing there. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.